Okay guys, you guys are really gonna love this project. Today we're going to make a star out of paper bags. If you come to the main library, you can pick up a kit. The kit is either gonna be a brown bag or a white bag. Okay, so your brown bag, it's gonna give you more of a gold effect, and the white bag, more of a snowflake effect. Either way, you can make it into a star or a snowflake depending on which cut you make. And for this project, you'll need 8 paper bags. So taking your ruler, measure down from the top of the bag 2.75 inches on both the left and right side of the bag and make a mark. Then taking your ruler, go to the top of the bag and measure out 1 inch in the center of the bag. So next you're going to take scissors and you're going to cut the line on both the left side and the right side, and you are going to start to see your star points. Now you have your template. Go ahead and lay this down on the next bag. You're going to trace it and then cut it, and you will repeat this for each of your bags, and you do this in order to save you the step of measuring. Isn't that great? Okay, my creative fellow artisans, this is where you get to make your star completely unique. Go ahead and mark on each side of your bag a cut, and then that way you can have something to follow. Now, if you do not want to mark it that way and you just want to cut it out haphazardly, you can do that because it's your bag. You can have fun any way you want to. If you want more than one cut, absolutely do it. If you want to make 2 of them, that's great. If you want them to be different, go ahead, do it. Whatever you want to do, this is your unique star. Okay, so here are some other options. You can have various cuts along the sides of your bags. You do not have to have just straight cuts. You can see how I've colored here in between each bag. You can color on the top of the bag and the bottom of the bag. Anything you want to do. All right, so in your kit that you get from the library, you will find 2 bags that have 2 labels on them, one for each end of the star, and that is for reinforcement. So for those of you who have not come to the library to pick up a kit, but you are using bags from home, that's more than fine. I will tell you that you should go ahead and put a little bit of reinforcement. Now you can do that with a sticker or label if you happen to have one of those, but also you can use the scraps from when you made your cuts on the side. You can use that, glue that down to the top of the bag on the top bag and the bottom bag, and that will give you your reinforcement for hanging purposes. Okay guys, go ahead and get your glue stick out or your glue gun. Either one will work. The glue gun, a little bit more dangerous of course to use, but it will set up quicker. The glue stick will work just fine. You're going to press them all together and just hold them tightly and allow time for them to adhere to each other. You're going to take your glue gun or your glue stick, one or the other, and you're going to come along and you're going to glue. So much fun gluing. We do have a good time with gluing. You're going to put a line down the middle. Sorry about that. One line down the middle. You're going to do a line across the top here. And make it like a T. Do you see my T here? Do pretty generous. You want it to really stick. Now you're going to take your second bag and you're going to lay it on top the same direction as this. So still lining it up nicely. Okay, take bag number 3 and you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to have all your bags once you do that, you can now spread your bag all the way around. Okay. Okay guys, we're getting close. Now you get to hang your star. Take your ribbon or yarn and go ahead and thread it through the 2 holes. If you run into a situation where you have a gap in the center here, you just want to go ahead and use a little paper clip to hold it together. What I love about this project is that you can get real creative. You can get creative using crayons or colored pencils, markers, whatever you want. So for example, you can color all of your edges. I have chosen purple and blue and alternated my colors. Of course, you can color some of the edges and you can leave some of them uncolored, like you see here. With your parents' help, you can even spray paint your star. So you can see here, I've made a star out of yellow bags. So if you get the kit with the white bags from the library, you're gonna notice one side has a label and one side does not. So it's up to you, but I would try to make the front side the one without the labels. And then when you're all done, look at that. You can tuck it away nice and neat because it just folds right back up in the shape. Isn't that wonderful? So now you can use it at your next birthday party. If you made a star, you might save this for 4th of July and have it at your 4th of July party. All kinds of things you can do. You can have fun, and that's what we do. We learn how to do fun things at Angel's Crafting Corner. Thanks for watching.